Hi, I'm back. I want to look at a few of the sample portfolios. So what you're going to see is a lot of range, and you should feel free to be inspired. Obviously, you're not going to copy someone's entire, portfolio style, but definitely be inspired and, use things that you really like in them. In this particular folder, these are portfolios of people who I don't know. I kind of inherited these from somebody else who had taught the class. Then I taught it myself last winter, and these are the samples that the students created in my class. But look at both, because there's a lot of variation. In these, again, some of them have their own URLs and some of them don't. So let's just look at a couple. Let me just show you, let's look at the difference between a strikingly and then the Wix. So let's look at Carrie's on, this is Carrie's, let me go to her homepage. I really like Carrie's homepage. I'm actually the one who helped her with this tagline, which I was pretty proud of. But mostly, what I would advise is just start out with what the field that you want to be in under, close to your name. So she went with a tagline, and then you always want to have that intro. I think it's really good to have a picture on your first page. I think this is an excellent picture. And then she's got one on her about page that's her in action at one of her events. So I think that's always a good addition to have as well. You'll see how she laid everything out. She used Wix. And you can check out her bio, which is really good. Carrie has a job. She's not using this right now. Everybody has a job, actually, who did this. She actually got a job pretty quickly. So, but she has other websites in her own domain. Let me show you Charisse, because she has a strikingly. So a strikingly is going to be a little different in that everything is really on the same page, the splash page where you scroll. So these aren't separate pages, they just take you to separate areas of the portfolio. Okay, so then, but you can still attach things. You'll see how she did some of her work samples. But like here, on Wix, you would excerpt your from your bio and then have a bio page. Here, it's like what you see is what you get. And and I think it's fine. And the interesting thing was Charisse ended up using this, and she's actually very facile when it comes to technology, and she's done Wix and WordPress, and she actually just liked this because it was pretty simple. Jessica also did strikingly. She's got, all of her stuff here. She's got a motto, summary. She's got, I don't know if I would, I like this picture of Jessica. I really like this one too. I don't know if I would necessarily use this for my portfolio, but she did, and she's got a good job. So, let me show you one more. This is Ariana's. Let me go to her homepage. Here. So I think I really like her homepage. She's got her bio. Wait, am I on her homepage? No, here it is. Hi, I'm Ariana, and this is part of her. She also uses this on LinkedIn as her bio. I think that it's a really nice picture of her for the front. She used some other images. These were available from the library. Make sure if you take any other kinds of images like this, that they're legit, that you're doing them from a copyright usable website or right from Wix or WordPress has a library as well. Okay, so definitely peruse these and see how they. I want to show you. Let me go back to. Oh wait, where'd it go? Oh, Carrie. Yeah, I like what she did on her work page. Doesn't that look nice? Click the arrow of your choice. I don't know if she had to say that, but yeah, but it looks really nice. So be inspired. Don't worry, you will get there. Yours is going to look terrific. There's a few more that I don't really have time to go over in this video, but please do take a look at them. I wanted to give you a range of Wix, and strikingly, WordPress would probably look pretty similar to what you would see on the Wix. So, and again, if you can use whatever other portfolio site or whatever you choose to use, as long as, remember, just post that link for me, and that way we can give each other feedback. The other thing that I want to do too is, as we move further along, that you can ask, for specific feedback from everybody, from me and from your peers. What do you think about this? What do you think about that? And we'll really help each other. Okay, so again, use these to be inspired. Don't be intimidated or think, oh, don't panic. Please, everybody, you will be fine, I promise. And, you might decide to change your site, and that's fine. Just make sure you're uploading your new URL. Okay, so let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you soon.